Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up Google Ads on your Shopify store to effectively promote your products and boost sales. Step 1 is opening the Shopify admin panel. So navigate to shopify.com, log in using your user credentials, and you'll be on the Shopify's dashboard. Here, you'll have to click on the add icon just under apps. Now, it will show up this page where you'll have to scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. So you'll have to click on this small blue link at the bottom of this page and it is going to open up the Shopify App Store. Here, you're going to search for Google and YouTube. Now when you search and hit enter, you will see some search results from which you'll have to click on this one. Now click on install button and it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to click on install icon. Now, when you click on install icon, it will finish your setup. Also, what you can do is, during the app setup, you can create a new Google Merchant Center account or link an existing one. This account will sync your Shopify product data with Google for Ads. Link your Google Ads account within the app setup or create one if needed. Now as you can see, we get the option to connect Google account. Now after you follow the prompts and connect your Google account, it will take you to step 2, that is connecting your Google Merchant Center account. So you'll have to click on create new option if you don't have an account, and if you'll have an account, that will show up just right here. So click on create new, it will instantly create another account and you will get the option to proceed. Now in step 3, you'll have to add valid payment method. Click on this button, it will take you to another page where you'll have to simply add a payment method. You'll have to also create an online store by clicking on this button. You'll have to add a refund policy and terms of service and confirm that you have added contact information to your online store. So make sure you complete all these steps. Just click on activate PayPal or add payment method. For adding a payment method, you can create an online store by removing the password, getting a pro plan on Shopify, and you can also add a refund policy and terms of service by clicking on this button. So complete all these steps, confirm your recommended store setup, agree to the terms and conditions, click on complete setup, and your Shopify products will automatically sync to Google Merchant Center, and this may take a few minutes to hours. You can use the app's interface to create performance max campaigns or other campaign types optimized for your products. Also, the Google and YouTube application can automatically install the Google tag on your store for tracking. If not, you can manually add the Google tag code into your Shopify theme to track ad performance better. You can use Google Ads dashboard to track campaign performance, adjust budgets, and optimize targeting. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Google Ads and your campaigns are ready to bring more customers to your products. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.